Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here to do a walk around with you on this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Overland. The point of our walk around is to show you any cosmetic imperfections not shown in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website, you can see those 100 photos just below this video, along with a description just above this video. If you're on YouTube and you would like to see the 100 high definition photos and the description, which includes the features and options, you can do that by going to TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. There you can also see the free CARFAX report and the original window sticker, along with shipping quotes and options and finance options. We hope to see you there soon. Thanks for joining us. Let's start the walk around. All right, ladies and gentlemen, doing a quick walk around on the Gladiator. As you can see, brand new tires. Tread doesn't always show in pictures, so I want you to get a good look at that. Also has a factory installed roof rack with a basket. This Jeep has been ceramic coated already. LEDs from factory. Two imperfections, which is what we are here to show you, is one is right here. A very small 1/2 to 1 inch scratch on the plastic, and one baby chip that from back here 3 feet you can't really see it. The rest of this Jeep is brand new, ladies and gentlemen. Hard tonneau cover already installed from factory with Mopar sticker. Let's take a look at the interior. Okay, quick preview. Beautiful seats. Nice diamond stitching pattern. You might not see this in the pictures. Stitching across the dash. Contrasting depending on what color you get. Back seat literally has never had anyone in it. And there you go.